Hey, what's happening, guys? Woo! Close action there, alright. But hey, welcome back to the channel, GNGS Designs. Happy Halloween! And I just want to let you guys know, be safe out there, have fun, and bring me back some candy. I'm just playing. But today we're going to be working on this Hyundai Santa Fe. Right over here, we're going to be doing a chrome delete on it. We're going to get rid of all this chrome. We're going to put it all matte black on it. So, we just wanted it all to match. Here it is. Get rid of some of this stuff over here on the windows. He said he wanted to kind of match the Land Rover. I don't know if I can get to match the Land Rover because it is a Hyundai Santa Fe, but you know, it is what it is, and I'll do my best. It ain't gonna be no Land Rover, but it's gonna be a chrome delete Santa Fe. What's up, guys? All right, welcome back. Today we're working on a Hyundai Santa Fe chrome delete. The customer wants to make it look clean, so he wants no badges on. Some people like to save the badges. He in particular doesn't want it to be on there. So I'm going to take the Hyundai Santa Fe badge right over here. Kind of see right there, Hyundai Santa Fe. And then we got this bad boy over here, the high track. He wants it off. He wants to make it look clean. So when you make it look clean, you want to make it look nice. So with doing that, with that being said, the process of doing that is a couple simple steps. Take your time, you can do it too. So grab yourself a heat gun. It doesn't matter where you get the heat gun, you can buy it at Menards, Walmart, whatever. It's like 10, 15 bucks. Don't even cost that much. Anybody can get that. And then get yourself, I got a tool from Yellow Tools. I like their products. I use it quite a bit. It's got a hole in it right here that holds my filament. So if by chance I do break this line, I can replace and put it in. But if you ain't got something like that laying around, you got a fishing pole. If you ain't got a fishing pole, I know your neighbor's got a fishing pole because people do a lot of fishing around here. So the next step after that, you take that filament, you go like that, it pops it right off. Then you grab this bad boy right here. Goo gone. Okay, so what you're trying to do is you need to spray the adhesive. So when you spray the adhesive, it loosens up the bond to it and it slides off a little bit. But in order to get it to come off correctly, you use a plastic razor. This plastic razor will save your life, okay? It will save you from scratching the car, scuffing it, tearing up the paint. Okay, so you just scrape it. And then if it doesn't come off enough, spray it again, rinse, repeat. After you're done, wipe it off, obviously, with any color rag you got. I got like blue, brown, yellow, green, you know, whatever, doesn't matter. Anyone, household towel, you know. But anyways, then after you do that, use 70% isopropyl alcohol. So when you use that isopropyl alcohol, you're cleaning up the contamination, all this stuff. Because this does leave a little residue right behind it. So it does leave it on, it's kind of like a greasy film to it. But just wipe it off and you're good to go. So we're about to hit it, so let's get it. Alright guys, I just took off the badges. That's what I showed you guys earlier. There's nothing there, as you can tell. Next step we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put a chrome delete on back piece of plastic, which is basically covers the chrome. So anyways, here it is. Here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to take that bad boy and we're going to hide it. And what I mean by hiding it, we're going to do just like this. This is what I just did recently for my TikTok video. It hides it, makes it look like it's factory. So, but yeah, in case you didn't know, you can reach me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all the social media platforms. Ain't nobody else can put themselves out there but myself. So I gotta advertise myself to get myself out there. So, but hey, thanks for watching. Here we go. All right, guys, look what I got. Man, check this out. This is from my YouTube channel. I'm just playing. Anyways, this is for my car when I went to Myrtle Beach. But on a serious note, I just want to say thank you each and every one of you guys, because if it wasn't for you, I would not have been able to reach 100 YouTube subscribers. Watching crazy little old me trying to put this together. I've been working on this for 5 years. So 5 years in the making, this has been going on. This officially this year, 2020 COVID, I actually got my business license, GNS Designs and More LLC. But I just want to thank each and every one of you guys. I made this channel not for to make money off YouTube. If I make money off YouTube, great. One day in the future, awesome. But I made it for the reason being is everybody always asks me, what is it that you can do? Show me your work. Well, I've done like clothing apparel, I've done business cards, I've done advertising, slogans, everything. So basically the reason for all this stuff is just to show each and every one of you guys. I appreciate you guys. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.